This just in tonight, Congresswoman Sylvia Garcia returning to Houston this evening after visiting a family that was deported to Mexico.
Yeah, she's fighting to get them back to the U.S. so their 11-year-old daughter can continue her brain cancer treatments in the Texas Medical Center. Maria Aguilera live at Bush Airport with more on the story. Maria?
Yeah, Lynn and Mia, we met with Congresswoman Sylvia Garcia just a few hours ago here at the airport, just as she landed from Mexico. She was visiting the family and their 11-year-old daughter who has brain cancer, trying to get them some help. Now, she says that child, who is a U.S. citizen, is in crucial need of treatment here in Houston. Now, that family was living in South Texas. They were deported at a checkpoint in February while driving to Houston for their daughter's medical appointment. The parents, who are undocumented, but their 11-year-old daughter and her siblings are U.S. citizens. Congresswoman Sylvia Garcia says the family had documentation from doctors and lawyers, and it made the same trip for the past 2 years without any issues until now.
She should have been able to come just like she always has. So that's our priorities, making sure she gets the treatments that she needs. So we're trying to figure things out. We also talked to her doctor via video conference. So we're going to try to make sure that we connect her back and get her back on the schedule, because it's critical that she gets some of these medications daily and that she gets her follow-ups every 3 months.
Based on the current immigration policies and the enforcement of the current administration, if someone is in the country illegally, that person is subject to deportation. Now, I did speak with an immigration attorney tonight as well, who says the government can step in similar cases.
If a child is seeking treatment and they need a parent or guardian to be here, the government can afford them a medical visa or a temporary stay.
Garcia says the family is seeking humanitarian parole to get their daughter back to the U.S. to get that treatment at the medical center. Of course, we will continue to follow this case and bring you the latest. Live from Bush Airport, Maria Aguilera, KHOU 11 News.
Maria, thank you.